Hello Virtuous family, welcome to VirtuousSkills. My name is Nancy. In today's video, what we have for you is how to make mackerel fish stew. The stew you are seeing tasted so yummy. In fact, mackerel fish is my #1 goal for fish. Please subscribe to our channel with a notification bell to be notified anytime we upload a new video. Like, share to your families and friends, and drop your comment. Without further ado, let's dive right into the video. The recipes we have for the Nigerian mackerel fish are set on my countertop already. I got fresh mackerel fish here. You can use it like that if you so wish, but for me, I grilled it. I have a full video of the recipes I use for the grilling. Please check the video out in my description box to know more about how I grill my mackerel fish for Nigerian stew. This is my fresh washed tomatoes. I will be blending it off the camera with some onion and Scotch bonnet pepper, which I will be introducing to you as we proceed. This is my tomato paste. This is my Scotch bonnet pepper. I got here onion. I got my sliced onion, fish seasoning, paprika, dry thyme, curry powder, turmeric powder. Please, I have the video of how I make my DIY turmeric powder. If you have not watched the video, please check the video out in my description box. This is fresh ginger and garlic paste. I like using plenty of it, as you can see. You can use the powder one if you so wish, but remember, if it's not a fresh one, it's not gonna taste like a fresh one. No. This is my seasoning cube and some salt to taste. And lastly, this is my vegetable oil. Please, let's get into the main business of the day because there is not much time. Right now, I want to preheat the vegetable oil I want to use for the stew. Before I forget, please check all the measurement of the recipes I'm using for this stew in the description box. The vegetable oil is on the heat already, as you can see. I want to make a base for the stew, or may I say, I want to build some flavor for a better taste because I do not fry the fish, but I grilled it. But if you fry your fish, I don't think that this will be necessary, because fried fish has this kind of a lovely taste it does add to stew. Now I will add dry thyme, curry powder, turmeric powder, and fish seasoning. And I will stir very well to combine, and after which I will add my sliced onion. And I will stir as you see me doing until the onion releases all the flavor from it. Okay, that is to say, I will stir until the onion is translucent. That is it. Next, I will add my tomato paste batch by batch, after which I will stir continuously without removing my hand for good 5 minutes. Pardon me, Virtuous family, please, I don't know that my camera was off when I added my paprika. Now I am adding seasoning cube, as you can see, after which I will add some salt to taste, and I will stir to combine until everything is well mixed. After stirring it very well, Virtuous family, I will then allow the tomato paste to fry on its own for 10 to 15 minutes until the color is a bit dark. The reason why we do that is to eliminate the fresh or canned taste from the tomato paste. Please note that in between the 10 to 15 minutes, I will be stirring the stew regularly to avoid the stew from burning, and I will be doing that off the camera. Wow, look at that. Can you see or notice the changes on the tomato paste? That is really what I am aiming at. Now I've added my fresh ginger and garlic, as you can see, and I am stirring it already. Now, Virtuous family, believe me if I tell you the aroma going on my kitchen now, my neighbors will perceive it. Oh, it is so awesome, I tell you. This stew is going to be yummy. Next, I will add my tomato mixture, which is the combination of fresh tomato, onion and Scotch bonnet pepper blended together. If you watch very well, you will notice that I do not blend my tomato mixture very smoothly. I use my food processor to chop it up because I don't like the texture of smooth fresh tomato in my stew. I like blending my tomato mixture very roughly. You can blend yours smoothly if you so wish. I am stirring it already, as you can see, and I will keep doing it until it is well combined. After which, I will cover the pot and allow it to dry off for 20 to 25 minutes. In between it, I will be stirring it off the camera. Wow, this is how lovely the stew looks like after 25 minutes. The float of vegetable oil you are seeing on top indicates that the tomato is well cooked or dry. Meanwhile, I will be stirring it very well once more, after which I will add my mackerel fish. The reason why I added the mackerel fish before the stock is to allow the fish and the stew get to know each other and talk to each other very well. Hope you get what I mean. After that, I will stir very well to combine, and then add some light stock to the stew just to loosen it up somehow. Please note, you have to add water according to your taste. For me, I'm not going to add much water because I will be using the stew for unripe plantain. But if you are using it for rice, you can loosen it up very well. I will now cover the pot and allow it to cook for more 10 minutes. Wow, after 10 minutes, Virtuous family, this is what we got. This is so awesome. Look at that stew. Can you really see how lovely and inviting it looks like? This is so lovely. This is so good. On this junction, Virtuous family, our mackerel fish stew is ready. Let's go to the table and do it some good. I told you earlier that I do not loosen up the stew very much because we are using it for unripe plantain. This is the plantain we are going to use to enjoy this stew. You can use rice, spaghetti or whatever you feel like, but we are going to enjoy ours with plantain. Wow, Virtuous family, this is the end result of the stew. Can you see how lovely, inviting, yummy and delicious this stew looks? Just as we are using unripe plantain to enjoy this stew today, you can also enjoy it with rice, pasta, yam and potato. It is all-round recipe. I am very sure that you enjoy every clip of this video today. If you do enjoy the video, please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel with a notification bell to be notified anytime we upload a new video. Share this video to families and friends and drop your comment. Try this recipe and give us your feedback in all our social media handles as usual. This is all we have for you for today. Thanks for watching and we will see you in our next video. Bye bye.